In the box, you get a charging cable, 2 extra sets of earbuds, and they're both different sizes, and a simple manual. They turn on automatically when taken off the case. The connection is also super easy, at least with my old iPhone though. You just take them off the case, which will turn them on, and you go into your Bluetooth settings on your phone and you simply pair the devices. And hey, why not smash the subscribe button? Become a legend by helping me reach 1K subs by the end of this year. If these blinkers are not blinking, that means you need to charge them. The charging is fairly fast with the USB-C port. You can try turning them on manually by holding on the control zone, which is this part over here. The controls are fairly easy, even though they're not as sharp and responsive. Sometimes you need to try them a second time to do a certain thing. 3 taps to change a song. If you hit on the right, you will go to the next song. If you hit to the left, you'll go to a previous song. 2 taps will pause the song. These headphones also work with your voice assistant. All you have to do is hold for 2 seconds on your left earbud. Taking phone calls is also possible with these earbuds. All you have to do is tap 2 times on either left or the right earbud. It has environmental noise cancellation, which isolates your voice when talking in public. Don't confuse it with the ANC, which will reduce the background noise for you. But what are the cons? From my experience, the 2 biggest cons are that there's no volume control on them. My workaround is I use my Apple Watch. And the other con is that they are not water resistant. Overall, I give this headset 7 out of 10. They're affordable, sound good, and are really easy to pair. And no, I'm not throwing them in the lake.